Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Wyze Cam to Wi-Fi using the Wyze app. Full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Wyze Cam is plugged into a power source. Next, download the Wyze app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the Wyze app on your device. If you don't have an account, tap on Sign Up to create one. For existing users, tap Login and enter your credentials. After logging in, tap the plus icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Select Add Device from the menu that appears. Scroll through the list and choose Wyze Cam. Follow the on-screen instructions to prepare your camera for connection. When prompted, press the reset button on the back of your Wyze Cam until you hear a voice prompt. Next, open the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone. Ensure your device is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as Wyze Cam does not support 5 GHz. Return to the Wyze app, and tap Next to continue. The app will search for your camera. Once detected, select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully to ensure accuracy. Tap Connect to link the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Wait for the app to confirm the connection. Once connected, you will see a live stream from your Wyze Cam. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process. Your Wyze Cam is now successfully connected to Wi-Fi using the Wyze app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.